This is a shallow bowl that I turned out of a piece of cherry and then put it on my rose engine lathe, but instead of using a cutting frame I've actually used a laser to burn the pattern in. The outside pattern uses an 18 wave rosette, and with 2 passes it creates the pattern, and then I phase that rosette to give the overlocking pattern. I then repositioned the laser and changed the rosette to an ice flower one, and then cut 4 patterns with a single pass each of the laser to end up with the final result. And then at the end of the video you'll see a static photograph of the finished pattern with the bowl lacquered.